guys. This is Miss Ross. You are on week 8, practice 3. All right, your quiz comes up next, so make sure you're paying attention. Starting with our multiplicative comparison. So as I've told you before, when you're doing multiplicative comparisons, draw the bars. Okay, please, 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 please do not go back to 3rd grade and start using keywords. It will not work. Okay, Hannah has some candy. So write Hannah and give her a box. It's got some candy in it. You don't know how much though. Then we've got Ava. Ava has 10 times as many pieces of candy as Hannah. So give Ava 10 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw her some more bars down here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So together they have 143 pieces of candy. So what that means is you've got 143 pieces of candy split between 11 boxes. So you're going to divide 143 by 11. 11 goes into 14. How many 11s are in 1? There are none. How many 11s are in 14? There's 1. 1 times 11 is 11. Subtract, you get a 3. Bring down the 3. How many 11s are in 33? There are 3. So 3 times 11 is 33. Subtract, you get, 33. Subtract, you get a 0. Okay, so that means that each one of these boxes has 13 in it. Okay, I'm going to fill all these in. And then I'm going to, after I fill these in, I'm going to make sure I read the question. The question says, how many pieces of candy does Hannah have? Hannah has 13. Now, Ava over here, Ava's got 130 because it's 13 times 10. So Ava has 130 and Hannah has 13. We're going to make sure that we answer what the question says. So when it says how many pieces of candy does Hannah have, it is 13. All right, we are going to complete the pattern here. So it's getting smaller. So when I've told you that it's getting smaller, that's either dividing or subtraction. Okay, those are the only things that can get a number smaller. All right, so let's figure out if it is division, what's it dividing by? So 160 goes to 80, okay? So that is either that it's dividing by 2 or it's subtracting 80. So if it's a rule, we're gonna figure out which one of these keeps going all the way down. So 160 divided by 2 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. That works. 80 minus 80 would give me 0. So it is not subtraction. It is division. 180 divided by 2 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Ms. Rose, how'd you do that in your head? I just chopped the number in half. Because dividing by 2 is half of something. 40, half of 40 is 20. Half of 20 is 10. Half of 10 is 5. All right, here we are. We have addition and division. And we know that we are going to use order of operations. So it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So which comes first? You are going to do the division first. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then 50 plus 5 is 55. And there's your answer. Woo, so easy, Miss Ross. I know. I like to cross that part out too after I solve it. All right, so now I've got 394 divided by 6. How many 6s are in 3? There are none. Put an X above it. How many 6s are in 39? Well, if you know that 6 times 6 is 36 and 6 times 7 is 42, so your answer is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, and then when you subtract, you get 3. Bring down the 4. How many 6s are in 34? There are 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, you get a 4. So your answer is 65, remainder of 4. All right, and the last one is how did the temperature change from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m.? All right, well, I can barely see this. Let Miss Ross pull it up closer to her eyeballs. Hold on. 12. Okay, I'm going to say that this is 12, that this is 3, that this is 6, and that this is 9. Okay, I'm so sorry that you can't see this. This is a terrible, terrible graph. Okay, so at 12, it is right here. At 12, it is 12 degrees Celsius. At 3, it is 15 degrees Celsius. At 6, it is right here, it is 10 degrees Celsius. And at 9, that is 8 degrees Celsius. So how did the temperature change from 3 to 6? 15 minus 10 means there was a negative 5 degrees Celsius drop. Okay, hope you guys have a wonderful day. You hear my phone ringing, I gotta go. Bye, guys.